Welcome to LaTricia Creates. I am LaTricia. In today's video, we're going to create some fingerprint jewelry using our Xtool F1 Ultra. I'm here in Creative Space. I'm ready to engrave my project. I'm going to go here to New Project. Now I'm going to go here to this image, select my image, which is Fingerprints, click open. I already have my machine set up. I'm going to search for the material. I'm going to go here to unknown material, click on that. I'm going to click here on stainless steel necklace, click confirm. The next thing I want to do is take a picture of the pendant. So I'm going to go up here to the top, to the camera, and I'm going to take a picture. I already have it on the Xtool bed. Be sure to clean your metal before you engrave it so that it doesn't have any fingerprints or oils or anything on it. Next, I want to reduce the size of this because, as you can see, it's entirely too big for that. I think I need to change the color, so I'm going to right click on it and grab one of these colors down here. I'll just click on this green. That's going to help me to see it better. I'm going to make it bigger so that I can really get a good look at it. One of the things I didn't take into account was the hole in the pendant. So now I think what I need to do is rotate my image. I think right there is good. I need to make it smaller. I'm trying to line it up as best as I can. I think that looks pretty good. I'm just a little disappointed that I did not consider that hole. Anyway, that looks pretty good. The next thing I want to do is to frame it out. I'm going to use the settings that Xtool recommends here. Now I'm going to frame it out. I'm going to click here where it says framing. The framing is done. Now I'm going to press stop, go to process. It says it's going to take 18 seconds to complete this job. I'm going to press start. And we're going to hit the button over here on the Xtool touchscreen. Oh, that looks so cute! So cute. I'm going to clean it up, then I'll be back to give you a closer look. Here's a closer look at the final project. I think it came out really cute. I put it on a cute little chain and I'm ready to wear it. I did learn a couple of things after the fact. One is I wanted to make it where it engraved deeper, but at the time I didn't realize that I needed to do multiple passes. So I am going to go back and try it again, but for right now I like it just as it is. It's so cute and I will be rocking it. I hope you're able to make one as well. And I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.